Hey guys, so the day is finally here and I'm gonna be chopping my hair off. And I'm not just gonna be chopping my hair off, I'm also gonna be donating it to the Little Princess Trust. And if you would like to help my fundraising page to raise as much money as possible for this charity, then I'm gonna leave a link below this video and you can check it out. If you would like to find out why I'm doing all this, you can check out my previous video. I'm explaining everything there, so I would like to keep this video straightforward. But before I grab my scissors, I would like to mention a couple of things just in case you are thinking about donating your hair. So first of all, check the rules for the particular charity you are thinking about donating your hair to, because every single charity is different and they've got different rules. You need to wash your hair with shampoo, don't use any conditioner and don't use any like oils or styling products. And then just let it dry and then put it into a ponytail or braid it, but keep it all sort of intact. Don't ever sweep it from the floor because then it's all mixed, and then you can just ship it off to them. And now I'm like so excited and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna cut my hair now.
In your eyes I saw diamonds and skies, and I did all for you 'cause you wanted me to. In your eyes I saw diamonds and
Okay guys, I would just like to say that my heart is beating so fast. I can't even speak. I just need to calm down for a second. It was so hard to cut through all that hair, but I do realize I have a long ponytail in my hand now. And hopefully it will make a wig for somebody. Oh my god. Now, and for the rest, what's left on my head? Oh my god, this is so strange. This is so weird. Oh, wow. That's not too bad. It's obviously not looking that great. Oh, I can't stop touching it. It's so light. It's so light. Oh my god. This is so heavy. Oh my god, I can't believe I did it. I can't believe I cut my hair. I'm actually gonna go to a hairdresser's in a couple of days for a haircut. And that's it. Again, you know, check out my fundraising page and have a beautiful day. I don't really know what else to say, so I'm just gonna say I love you and goodbye, and do whatever resonates with your feelings. And this has been amazing for me. Alright, love you guys, bye. Take care.